Hi guys, Ed James here from @EdJ Property. We're here in my latest deal, a whole block of 6 apartments in the centre of Liverpool. I can't wait to show you guys. So the building is comprised of 3 floors. This is the ground floor and each floor has 2 apartments on. This is the first apartment. As you can see guys, we're in the open living kitchen diner part where we have a little kitchen pit here, an open living space here, and we really benefit from large high ceilings in this Georgian property, so it gives a real nice spacey feel to it. If we come through out of the living diner, we have the single bathroom, and then through to the bedroom. You'll notice we've got a double bed in here. It's all really kitted out smartly, and also 2 little futon sofa beds here to maximise the occupancy. So we're coming up the stairs now onto the 2nd floor, and as you can see, the building has retained much of its Georgian character. Even the stairs that I've just walked up are wonky. So we're in now to the 1st floor, my first flat. This one's a little bit more smaller, but still decored to the same taste, same style throughout. Still trying to push additional occupancy where we can with additional sofa beds. 1 double bed and 1 lovely bathroom through there. So we're heading now into the 2nd apartment on the 1st floor. This apartment is my favourite and really is the heart and soul of the block. We've got a nice open spacious bedroom in there with an ensuite. This room guys, I hope you can see why it's my favourite. I think a lot of people, particularly hen do's and stag do's, really like to come and congregate here. It's a nice vibe, really spacious, got everything you'd want and can quite easily accommodate a lot of people in one space. Now we'll head on up to the 2nd and final floor for the remaining 2 apartments. So the way the block is structured is basically 3 front apartments and 3 at the back. But what I do want to point out is before we go into this one, is these beautiful sash windows. And the property also benefits from a courtyard to the back where people can go chill out, smoke in the sun. So similar to one of the apartments that I've shown you previously, this is one at the back. With all 3 apartments at the back are pretty much identical, to be honest. We're sat here with my kitchen on my left and the open living space and bedroom with ensuite further to my right. And now we'll head on to the final penthouse apartment. And then all of this space here is exactly where the magic happens, guys. We've had guest reviews saying they'd love to have this big open space for the girls to get into their pajamas or whatever they do on their hen do's, and the lads to play stupid games, but it goes down a treat. So I actually came across this deal on Facebook of all places. Not my favourite place to find deals, but nevertheless, if you look hard enough, you can find a gem. There's a lot of people fighting for it because of the beauty of it and where it is, but thankfully, I had ammunition in knowing the fact that I've already got plenty of units in Liverpool. So they originally wanted £5,500 a month. I've got that down to £4,900 a month. They originally wanted 3 lots of that £5,500 as a deposit, so 16.5 grand. I've got that down to just £4,900. And then they also wanted 24 grand for the furniture. I managed to negotiate that down to 12 grand, split over 6 months, so 6 lots of £2,000 instalments. In total, that means I've got a monthly outgoing of 4,900 plus my bills and etc. on top, probably all in about 7 grand a month. Now, and through the summer months, I'm looking to revenue about 14 grand a month, which means about a further 7 grand profit. Thank you for coming along and having a look at Rodney Street with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll keep you posted as to how we get on with it.